There's nothing out there that can be done. Right now we turn up the party, turn up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're about to do a hairstyle. I'm about to braid my hair for the first time by myself on camera. So warning, this might be a fail. It might be a really bad fail, or I might just bang a whole hairstyle for myself with no help. Like, it's got either. Okay, so right now my hair is like super long. Kidding. I have some braids in my hair, but my hair needs to wash. So I'm about to go and wash it, and then I'll come back and start. So I'm gonna do box braids. I'm gonna do the rubber band method. I'm gonna do it big as well because up here it's getting cold, like really cold. So yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair, and yeah, I just need to put it away because the colder it gets, the more brittle it gets, you know, when I'm shine. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be back. So that took way longer than I expected. It's so hard to part your hair in the back, like, and it probably still look like crap. But I left one to show you guys basically what I did. So I literally, so I used, I just put it all around the plait. And then I take the comb and just push it back a bit, just to make sure I have all ways. Take out rubber band. These are the plastic ones. Then I just plait it in because I rather it not get hard or shrink too much. Now was the time to go to braid my hair. So I think move this out. I'll do the thing method where you just put the hair around your hair and have your hair as a third plait, third part. And as you come down, you take some of the hair off and put it with it. I'm gonna check, see if it looks okay. Okay, so I don't think it's that bad if I do say so myself. Now I could walk on like up here. Yes, I could probably walk on like how I put it up here, but other than that, I think my braid looks nice. I think I'm gonna actually stay up and finish this. You know what? When I get through more of it, because it's gonna take too long, I don't want this video to be long, so I'm gonna get through more of it and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know how it goes. So yeah. Okay, so guys, if I do say so myself, I think I did a good job. So I have one more plait left. It is now 4:52. put a little bit of gel on it and put it down. And I am finished. I just braided my hair. Ow. Still hurts. But I just braided my hair. I'm excited. I'm happy. My hair's in a protective style for the rest of the time. Yay. Ooh. Is that you, Glenn? Did you do this by yourself? Is it you? Okay, so I have to put it in hot water and, you know, cut the ends, clip tape a little bit. So, I'll talk to you tomorrow because it's 5 o'clock. So it's gotta sleep. So, yeah. I'll be back though. I'll be back. Hey guys, look at this.
We're gonna take selfies and like right now, wasting my filming time with her down south. Yeah, don't worry, Glenn.
You can hear something in the background. That's just some extras, some ladies just in my home. I don't know why they're in my home, but I'm just finishing off this video because I have work to do. But I think it turned out well, if I do say so myself. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See ya.
Deuces.